Hey, I'm the MLO study queen. If you're studying for the NMLS exam, this video will save you time. Let's get into it.
What is the SAFE Act and why does it matter? The SAFE Act, Secure and Fair Enforcement for Mortgage Licensing, was created after the 2008 housing crash. It makes sure every mortgage loan originator is licensed, trained, and background checked. It protects you, the consumer, from unqualified lenders and fraud. To pass the NMLS exam, remember, SAFE Act equals accountability, education, and protection. It's the foundation of everything we do in the mortgage industry. The SAFE Act mandates that all MLOS be licensed or registered through the NMLS, including passing a national mortgage test. Aspiring MLOs must complete at least 20 hours of NMLS-approved pre-licensure education, including specific hours on federal law, ethics, and lending standards. MLOS must provide fingerprints for an FBI criminal history background check and authorize the NMLS to obtain a credit report. Follow for more 60-second lessons before your NMLS exam.
Origination fees are one of the most misunderstood charges on the NMLS exam. An origination fee is a charge by the lender or loan officer for processing a mortgage loan. It's typically expressed as a percentage of the loan amount, often called points. Example, 1% on a $300,000 loan equals a $3,000 origination fee. Important exam rule: origination fees must be disclosed and are subject to high-cost loan limits. Origination fees are different from third-party fees like appraisals or credit reports. Follow MLO Study Queen for NMLS exam topics explained simply. Front-end and back-end DTI confuse a lot of people on the NMLS exam. Let me simplify it. DTI stands for debt-to-income ratio. Front-end DTI looks at housing costs only, your mortgage payment, taxes, and insurance. Back-end DTI looks at your total monthly debt, housing plus credit cards, car loans, student loans, and other obligations. Exam tip: front-end equals housing, back-end equals everything. If you remember that, you won't mix them up. Follow MLO Study Queen for mortgage concepts explained simply.
Don't lose points on the NMLS exam. Here's how to calculate income the right way. On the NMLS test, you'll need to annualize income fast. Here's how: hourly pay. Take the hourly rate times 40 hours times 52 weeks. Weekly pay, multiply by 52. Biweekly pay, multiply by 26. Semi-monthly pay, multiply by 24. Monthly pay, multiply by 12. For hourly rate, multiply by 40 hours per week, then multiply by 52 weeks in a year. Example, $20 an hour times 40 times 52 is equal to $41,600 annual income. That's the formula examiners expect you to know, simple but powerful. For weekly income, just multiply the weekly pay by 52. Example, $500 times 52 equals $26,000 annual income. It's simple, but exactly the kind of math the test wants you to know. On the NMLS test, biweekly pay is simple. Just multiply by 26. Example, if someone earns $500 biweekly, $500 times 26 equals $13,000 annual income. That's it. No shortcuts, no confusion, 26 pay periods in a year. If someone is paid semi-monthly, just take their pay amount and multiply by 24. Example, $2,000 semi-monthly times 24 equals $48,000 annual income. This formula is simple, but it's exactly what shows up on the test.
For monthly pay, the formula is simple. Multiply by 12. Example, for $1,000 monthly times 12 equals $48,000 annual income. That's it, monthly pay always annualizes to 12 months.
Master this formula and you'll save time and points on your exam. Follow MLO Study Queen for more 60-second mortgage hacks. Tip number 1. Master the Big Four focus on TILA, RESPA, ECA, and the SAFE Act. These are heavily tested. Tip number 2. Know the math formulas APR, DTI, LTV. Understand the how, not just the answer. Practice until it clicks. Tip number 3. Take timed practice tests simulate real test conditions. No distractions. 190 minutes. Bonus, don't cram the night before. Rest your brain, hydrate, and walk in like the queen you are. Crown follow MLO Study Queen for more daily exam tips in 60 seconds.